You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is h equals -5/7. Let's solve it step by step. Group all h terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract h from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 5 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the h. Divide both sides by -7. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. And so the final result is h equals -5/7.